How to add logo in NanoBanana.AI. I'm going to guide you through the process of adding a logo in NanoBanana.ai. Let's get started. First, open your browser and search NanoBanana.ai. Once you land on the website, make sure you are logged in with your account. Now scroll down to AI editor section. You will see two main options, image to image and text to image. Choose image to image and upload the photo you want to add logo. Next, go to the main prompt field and type in instruction in natural language. For example, add a small transparent logo at the bottom right corner. If you want to use your own logo file, you can upload it along your main image and specify it with the image where it should appear. After typing a prompt, tap Generate Now. NanoBanana.ai will process the request and show you the new image with logo included. And that's it. That's how you can easily add logo in NanoBanana.ai. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.